Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa-K7 and I'm here with another makeup video. So today is going to be power of the nose contour. I'll be showing you guys different weird looks that you can and shapes that you can make with your nose. There has been like a lot of TikTok videos showing people how to contour their nose in different shapes, and I thought, why not join the trend? It's just gonna be a nice, short, flowy, interesting video to watch. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next shot. No, I'm not gonna have that slim nose anymore. Oh god, this is scary. Nah, it's not scary, I'm joking. I have to be careful what I say because people just take everything out of context these days, so I'm not gonna say anything at all. In fact, this might be a silent videos. Use these. Okay, so I started having some fun with the nose contour. Basically, the TikTok video that I saw, I'm following this lady's pattern. So she drew a squiggly line to create like a kind of crooked looking nose. So I thought I'd have some fun with it, guys. And the results are just crazy. And it's funny because when you do your contour wrong, your nose could actually turn out like this. But yeah, I found it hilarious. So next, I'm just doing a lopsided nose, which is crazy. Like, guys, when it comes to makeup, it's just amazing how much you can transform yourself and just have fun with it, guys. So this was a lopsided nose, and to exaggerate it a lot more, my special technique is to use powder to block out my real nose to make the fake nose stand out. So as you can see, I'm using powder on the sides to reduce my wide nose and kind of make it disappear. And then you got a lopsided nose. And then I decided to try this technique, which I actually really like. I like this nose shape, but I wouldn't do it often because it's just a lot of lines, a lot of drawing. But I love the results, guys. The results are great. It gives me like a pinched nose, a little upturned nose on the tip. I thought it was quite cute, you know, but I wouldn't do it every day because it's just too much lines to draw. But I thought it was cute. And then I'm just doing a lot of blending, guys. It's about where you put your products, your colour shades, and how much blending you're doing. You don't want to do too much blending because you want to leave the shadows of what you've painted on. There's no point over blending because the product's just going on the sponge or just into your face without leaving the shadow. What, let me try out this wide nose. And it actually wasn't that bad, guys. The outcome wasn't that bad. But if you know me, let me give you guys a fact about me. I actually used to contour my nose like this back in the day. Like, if you look at my old videos, I used to contour my nose exactly how it is. I didn't actually change it to look slim or anything. And it looked weird looking back. But this design, it was okay. I thought it was okay. It didn't look bad at all. It was just like a wider contour. I thought I'd try out this design, which I saw on TikTok, which gives you a pinched nose. Now, I don't know if this worked for my nose shape, but I found it extremely interesting of how to contour your nose like this. I was actually confused when I started blending, but the outcome is not what I expected at all. And yeah, a lot of my finishing touches is to add a little bit of shimmery highlight on top of your nose contour, because when the natural light hits, it makes your contour stand out so much more. And of course, I saved the best for last. So this is how I contour my nose now every single time. This is my latest updated nose contour, which is very different from how I contoured my nose 3 years ago. And I love it. I live it for it. I do it every single time. It looks, it gives, it eats, it's full. I love it. And that is that. Okay guys, so this is it for the last look. I've finished with my signature nose contour, which is the style I like to use. This is all for this video, guys. So that is the power of the nose contour. Literally, it depends how you put the product on your face and how you blend it to give you what look you want. I don't want to get into the politics of nose contour and changing your feature. I don't want to get into the political side, guys. It's just all fun. It's wipe off, put back on. Okay, all the products I use will be in the description box. I just used two, which is my contour stick and my concealer stick as well, and my holy grail product, which actually does the slimming of the nose, which is the powder and the puff. Any suggestions for makeup videos, please leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you guys back on my channel with another video. Bye.